Hello everyone, a warm welcome to the today's webinar. I hope you all are fine. So as you know that we are conducting these type of webinars in a weekly basis. Really it could help you to enhance your busy software knowledge. Today the topic is streamline your furniture business with Busy. Busy is easy to use, user-friendly software where that you can able to manage your furniture businesses. So easily you can manage your product, your distribution, retail, etc. So today I am going to showcase the demonstration of the furniture industry related configurations and how this software will help you to manage your furniture industry. So in generally in India, there are many furniture industries are registered with MSME. So just look into this PPT. In this slide, you can see that there are 20,222 MSME. MSME means Ministry of Small and Medium Scale Enterprises. 20,222 number of wooden furniture enterprises are registered in India. So in that, the micro enterprises are almost 96% that industries are in micro enterprises. So and small enterprises are 3.7 and the medium enterprises are 0.3% that are registered with the MSMEs. So if if you approach the BG software, then they can easily purchase the software and he can start to use the software. And going further, let me explain you why the BG is required with a small example. The Mr. Deepak, he was one of the manufacturer of the furniture items, and he was saying that, sir, I make furniture products and sell my products to wholesalers and retail customers. He was a manufacturer of the furnitures and he was supposed to selling the product to the customers directly from the customers and by the wholesalers. So now this person, Mr. Deepak, he was facing some challenges on the furniture business because he was facing some challenges and difficulties to manage their businesses. He was saying that I was facing many challenges in managing my furniture businesses and my business was not growing. So why it is not growing? What kind of challenges that he was facing? I can explain you here. So the first and foremost, he was facing the problem of how many finished goods have been produced. He can't able to track by themselves because he don't have any kind of software. He don't have any computer in their business. So just he can do the manual process by the day-to-day transactions. That is the reason he can't able to manage their finishing goods tracking. He can't able to manage it. So now the second point, what he was facing that how much raw material is required for the production. So he can't able to track it. So now in Mr. Deepak, he was facing the second problem that how much raw material he was required for the production. He can't able to plan by themselves. And the third point is the customer wise outstanding payable and receivable, he can't able to make it. He was managing by manually, but end of the day he wants to calculate everything by the calculator. So that is the very difficulties he was facing. So the fourth point, he was saying that how to track the outhouse job work materials. They are giving some of the items, raw materials to the third party vendors. Suppose he was to make some finished product for the industry. He will be the job work holder, and after that he can't able to track that how many finishing product he was given and how much is left and how much the raw material I was given to them and how much is left. He can't able to track these kind of materials from themselves. So that is why he was frustrated. So now he was happy. Now he was saying that I am very happy. So it has become very easy for me to do the business now, because now I can easily manage every work of my business. And he was saying that my business is growing too. His business is going to next level because last year he was getting turnover of suppose something like that 1 crore rupees. Now he was the getting more revenue by their business. So this is the one tremendous changes that we captured by one example here. Okay, so now why he was happy? Because of the software, because of the busy business intelligence software, he was happy for the entire thing. So going further, let us discuss some more points why the Deepak ji has happy. So let us see what solution we gave to Mr. Deepak ji. So let us discuss one by one. So earlier the Deepak ji was facing the problem that manufacturing management. This is one key point of the area. So tracking of the finishing goods and the raw materials, it's supposed to difficult to manage by themselves. But after purchasing the busy software will contains the options called production planning, BOM creation, production entry, as well as the detailed report he will be get into the software, so that he was able to manage very effectively, seamlessly by the furniture production management with the software. So let us see how the thing will work. So let us dive into the practical demonstration and let me explain you that how this will be work in the software. So suppose I will, if I wants to create the items, let me come here, administration item, and I can open the item list here. So here you can see that, let me show some items of the furniture industry. So these are the items that we has created already. So these all are the raw materials: hardboard board, nails, plywood, screws, wood glue, wood leg. These all are the raw materials. And wastage, we have created on wastage item. It's used for the wastage tracking purpose. And wooden chair, you can see this one is the chair item, and these two are the table items. So for the and now the production thing, how it will work, let us discuss. So for example, if you want to plan by them yourself, you can come here, production planning. So there are production reports, or various types of production reports are available. If you want to make up appropriate planning by yourself, you can use this production planning functionality, and you can select the BOM name. The BOM that we was created here, you can see the BOM wooden chair. This one is the BOM, and to produce one wooden chair, we need this many raw materials: hardwood board 5 items, plywood is 1, wood leg 4, nails 50, screws 20, wood glue 1. And wastage, how many wastage that you are getting, so you can enter the wastage quantity also. So this is the BOM. BOM is called as the raw material consumption formula, where you can create by as per your industry standards, and how many raw material that you are using for one specific item creation, you can mention it in a BOM. BOM is very key feature for the industry, production industry. Once you selected the BOM for the production planning screen, you can see it here, 400 chairs if you want to make. So then you can put the wooden chair 400 units, and you can press the OK button. Automatically software show you that how many raw material is required to generate it. So currently you can see the raw material list over here. The quantity required will be 2000, and available quantity will be 890. Currently I need 1110 shortage. That is called deficiency. In busy words, we say it as deficiency. Similarly, the plywood we need 400, but we have only the 48 quantity. We need again 352 plywood. That is our deficiency quantity. Simultaneously, wood leg, you can see the nails, you can see the screws, wood glue, everything. So these are the deficiency quantities where you can plan by yourself. And once you get this report, you can just press the F4 button over here. Automatically you can generate the purchase order. Either you can generate the purchase order for each and every item for separate vendor, or you can generate the purchase order for only one single vendor as well. So here you can mention the deficiency percentage also. Suppose the deficiency will be 1110. Suppose if you mention 50% here, so it reduce the deficiency percentage. That is 1010 divided by 2. That will be the deficiency purchase order quantity there that you are going to place the order. So likewise also you can mention, otherwise you can put the order for 100% deficiency. So once you press the F4 button and you can select all the items, then automatically one purchase order screen will appear in front of us. So you can place the order directly by here. Okay, so you can select the vendor name. For example, the vendor name is Alone Superwood Trading Company, A1 Superwood Trading Company. So deficiency quantities will come over here. You can see the purchase order price. This will be the purchase order price where we can save in item master. The item master price only getting here. If you want to make any changes, you can do it by manually also. Once the purchase order has been raised, after the purchase order entry, the next process will be the production process will be the purchase received. So instead of again as the purchase order, we are receiving the purchase entry here. So you should enter the purchase by here. Then only the raw material inward will take place. Now let me enter the purchase bill number 2323 something like that, and let me take the party name, and where you can receive the inward quantity in production unit, in store or wastage block, where you can receive. You can select that particular material center over here, and you can press the F11. Just you can press the F11 button. So either you can select the multiple purchase order by this list, or else you can select single purchase pending order as well. Suppose if you already given 2 orders, there is one order is PO number 4, another is PO number 5. Both you want to make the adjustment here. You should select both. So automatically both the order details will be comes over here. No need to enter it again by manually. So Busy can do it automatically, and it will sense the data of the purchase orders where you how much the quantity that you have given earlier in a purchase order. That quantity will automatically pasted here. Once it's completed, you should save this entry. Then the inward will takes place. later on you can go to the stock report, and you can get the stock status of the item. You can get the stock status of the item by here, stock status, closing stock, and all material center. If you want to see all material center stock, you should select all material center. If you want only one material center, you should select one material center. All items, if you need all items or group of items, or else one item selected. These are the filters are available. So next, you can see the report here, stock status reports. This many stocks we have currently in our godown. So these are the stock report. If you need to see the value also, you can make this one as Y, and you can see the value of the item as well. Okay, this is the stock status report. If you need to see it in all godown stocks, you should use the columnar report. The columnar report is very useful report. In single screen itself, you'll be getting all godown stocks. How many stocks that you have in store, how much you have in production unit, how much you have in wastage block, how much you have in total stock, how much you have. So each and every details you'll be getting in one single screen. This will be help you a lot. So this is called stock status checking. So after purchasing the raw materials, that next process will be the production. So what we will do, we will enter one production entry by here, transactions menu. Directly go to the production entry and add the production. So this will be the production entry. Here you can select the BOM called wooden chair, put the quantity, how much you want to produce. Automatically that item will be raw material will becomes here. You can see the raw material names. To generate 40 number of wooden chairs, that how much raw material that was used, it will get automatically comes. So later on you can see the wastage also. If I produced 40 number of chairs, then 20 kgs of wastage will take place, wooden wastages. So likewise the BOM will help you, the user to post the production voucher automatically, and software can sense the raw material consumptions with the help of BOM. Once you can enter the purchase voucher, you can save it. So when you're saving the purchase voucher, if you wants to enter any specific related information called shape, which type of chair that you have produced, for example rectangle shape, which color you have produced, for example teak finish, which material that you have produced, for example teak wood, and the price, MRP price will comes automatically, because we are kept this MRP price and everything in our item master. And suppose if you are produced 40 number of quantity, in that 10 number will be this rectangle shape, and remaining 20 number will be the oval shape. You can use the oval shape here, and which type of color it is, natural color and mahogany wood. And if you want to make the changes in price and MRP, you can make the changes here, 13,000 like that. And the total quantity that you have generated is 20 numbers, remaining 10 is left, that I was added into this square. The square is the another shape of the wooden chair. You can use the drop down to select the color and material, and select the material walnut, and the price will becomes automatically. Likewise you can mention the shape, color and material of the specific chair. Even you can put the images of the chair. So now this one is called as production. After the production, you can able to print the barcode directly from the software. We have the barcode designing utility within the software. So how you want the design, how you have the barcode label size. So likewise you can create your own barcode designs. Easily you can create your barcode labels, and you can stick the barcode label top of the product box. So this is how the barcode label printing, you can see that. So this will be the barcode design label name, BCN, that I was created by my side. So BCN is the format name. You can select the show details option, and then you will get the item name over here, how much quantity, 40 quantity. If you want to change the quantity, you can change it. So now I was produced 40 quantity, so that 40 label will be print. If I want to change the quantity here, I can able to change it. So then I can press the OK button to print the barcode label. Now once you print the barcode label, the barcode design will become like this, and you can scan the barcode when you're doing the sales, and automatically the software can identify the product. So this is how the barcode designing will come. Now, if you have a barcode printer, then barcode designing will come like this. Use printing based on your barcode label size and how you have the requirement. On that basis, we will design the barcode label. These are the fields. We can able to add the barcode, QR code, data field, image, plain text, everything by here. Once you did that, we will able to print the barcode from item master or by the voucher. Here we have a production voucher. Let me select the production voucher, and let me put the date over here. So how many production that I have entered, everything will comes here. Let me take it any one production voucher. I can press OK. The barcode will come like this. You can see the company name, item name, barcode, and the QR code, MRP, image, everything will come like this. This is the barcode printing. After the barcode printing, you can stick the barcode labels on the item so that you can able to scan the product while you're doing the sale transaction. So this is how the production will takes place in production furniture industry. So the Deepak ji, they have got the solution by ourselves like this. Then he will happy with our solution, and he will doing this kind of management with their production unit. After that, he will be getting the report as well. So the report will come here, display section. You can see the reports. He will be getting the report called production reports. Show you. When he can see the parameterized closing stock report, how many parameterized stock he will be have, which brand, which material, which size, everything he will be getting to here. This one is the parameter stock report. You can see the parameterized details. Wooden chair, store material center, he will be have 34 quantity. Oval shape is natural color. Mahogany wood, that will be have 20 quantity. This one will be have 40 quantity. Oval size, natural teak material. This one is having 10 quantity. This one is having 10 quantity. Likewise, he will be getting the parameterized stock report by the end of the day. When he can able to see the pending order report also. When he was placing some order to his vendor, I need this many raw materials like that. So once he was received the purchase, then the order will be get adjusted. If he can't receive the order purchase, means that will be showed in a pending side. Now there is no any pending order. If anything, it might be pending, that will be shows here. Likewise, you can see the pending challan, pending quotations, and everything. The production report we will see. The production planning, I already shown you how you do the production planning with the help of BOM. Similarly, you can see the production variance report by voucher wise, and here you can have a one BOM and all BOM selecting option. Once you select the production variance report, it can tell you that how many items that you have generated, and how many quantity that you have consumed, how many raw material that you have used. Each and every information about the raw materials quantity you will be getting to this specific report. This is called as production variance report. Likewise, you can see the summary as well by production voucher wise summary with the BOM wise summary. You can see the summary report like this. This one is the summary of the item generated called wooden chair. Wooden chair that you have generated 122 quantity by that. So you have consumed this many raw materials, this many quantity raw materials. This will be called as production variance summary. This is end of the day. We have to cross verify these all the reports by ourselves. Similarly, the bill of material details report. You could able to say you can able to see that the production composition and production utilization report by material center wise, and you can see the date wise report as also. You can see the bill of material detail to produce this wooden table, how many raw material is required by us. So everything you can get into this specific. So in this way, the Deepak ji will manage the furniture industry by himself. This is the solution we have provided. And going further, let us see some more challenges what he was facing. So next slide, let me tell you some other challenges called production by third parties, material issue to third party, and how much material that are pending. So this is very point he was getting, because end of the day he can't able to get that how many raw materials that he has given to the third party, and how much he has received back, how much raw material, how much finished goods he was get back from their vendor, job work vendor. It is difficult task for them by the manual work. So end of the day, once he purchased the software, everything is automated here. So let me show you what solution was provided for them. For that, we has to enable one specific feature called job work feature here, inventory menu. You can see the inventory menu job work feature. We was enabled this feature, and mostly he was doing the outsourcing job work, because he don't have the specific machinery for that. That is the reason he was giving job work to other third-party vendor. What we will enable one specific feature called job work management. Here we will create one job work entry, how he was maintaining the entry. Let me show you here. The date of 30th 5, he was given one job work for the XYZ vendor, or let me take the vendor name called HMT Furniture Trading Company. He was the third-party vendor of the glass fixing work. So now he was when they adding the job work now, so that time automatically job ID and delivery date will be created. If you want to make the delivery date here, you can add the delivery date by manually also. Okay, so that is based on your contract information, you can add the delivery date. Then you can select the raw material. For example, the semi-finished goods will be generated by this own godown. and after that he was giving the semi-finished goods to the third party vendor, do the some other work like that. So for example, here we are giving one item called wooden table. The wooden table is one item, so that is called a semi-finished goods. He was giving 10 number of wooden tables to the HMT furniture trading company. So here we have a shape color adding feature. Now currently wooden table doesn't have a stock. What we will do, we will produce one production entry first. Let me add one production entry first, because we doesn't have a stock here. So what we will do, wooden table, first we will purchase 10 number of wooden table. So then I'll define the shape, etc. Shape is oval, color is can, material is teak, oval, peak and teak. Okay, so let me save the production. Now I have this 10 number of wooden table with me, and after that semi-finished product I want to give it to my third party vendor called HMT machineries. He will be he will be applying some other skills on that is glass related work. I will be giving the job to them. HMT work, HMT furniture trading company. So here the job ID and delivery date we will be able to mention, and the item name is wooden table. I'll be giving 10 number of wooden table to them. Here you can select the specific shape, color of material what we are giving to them. After that, once you saving the entry, that time we will be getting another window called as job work window, that is called finished goods to be received window. In that you can mention the what item you can receive back then. This item name is called wooden table with glass. Wooden table with glass. This is the finished product. Wooden table that we are giving to them, and he will be applying their skills. He will be doing some work, and he will be giving back to the wooden table with glass product. So now I can mention the shape here. Oval size, pecan, teak wood. Okay. So this is the color, material. I will be mentioning the quantity 10 numbers. Let me save it. So now the material issue, work issue was done. Later I'll be giving back my product. After that job work, he will be giving back to the finishing product. That I need to enter the material received from entry. Material I can take the same party name called HMT Furniture Trading, where I received the product in store or production unit. So let me take the material center name by here. Here you can press the F11 button to select the pending job work. You can press the F11 button and select the pending job work. Automatically that item and quantity will come here. So later on you can press the enter button by the unit place, so that you will be getting the parameterized details. So you can see that oval size, pecan, teak wood material item. That MRP you can mention here. If you need the MRP you want to mention here. After that you can see the price and everything. You can see the price, you can see the amount, everything. If you don't want price and everything, you can add 0 also. So once you can should product with you can enter the quantity, how much that you have received. Because you have given 10 number of order to them to do the job work, but he has given only 5 number of quantity. 5 number of quantity I was added here. Later on you can in this specific window you can getting another one more window. So in this window, with the help of job ID, you can adjust the raw material consumption. So it is something like wooden table. You can select the wooden table. Quantity consumed is 10. See the quantity consumed is 10, and you will be getting this parameterized window again. Here you can mention the quantity 5. Here also I am mentioning the quantity consumed is 5, because I was received only partial quantity. Currently I was received only 5 quantity because they need some more time to do the work. This is the process of job work management. Along with job work management, end of the day you will be able to know that how much job is pending, how much that you have received, what is the status of the job. Everything you can get into this report. Suppose you want to see the report, you can come here and you can see the pending job items. So the pending job item you can see by party wise or by item wise. When you have certain type of filters called party, one party, all party, group of party, selected party, like that. Any type of report that you want to generate by busy, you can use it. By default we have it here. Otherwise you can go for the custom column or else columnar report configurations. This will be the HMT Furniture Trading Company's job work status. We have received only 5 quantity as if now. So another 5 quantity is still pending. So that you can get it here. You can see the job register or job summary, and you can go to the party wise report, select the party name. Party I can select here. The party name is called HMT. Will be the party, and let me open the report. You can see that. Okay, now the wooden table I was received only 5. Remaining was pending, it was 5. Okay, remaining 5 it was pending, because you can see the register also. You can see the register by all party or on party wise. So really these are the reports will help you a lot for the furniture industry level. Almost all types of industry level that manufacturers will need this kind of report. Okay, you can see the report here. Job work registers, wooden table 10 we have issued, we have received here 10. Okay, so quantity how much you have received. So everything you can get it from here. Likewise, you can see the report. Finished goods to be received. You can see the finished goods to be received by party wise. Finished goods, job ledger, and everything. And I can take the party and I can press. So you can see that quantity to be received is 5. Still it is 5 is pending. Table with glass. This is the report. Now Deepak ji will got the solution by busy. Earlier he was facing some challenges and difficulties on the job work related management, but now he will be getting the exact solution for the difficulties, so that he will be able to manage your all job work entries by busy. And there is every kind of report he was getting here, no any problem. Now in busy we are enabled this in-house outhouse job work management, and currently they are doing only outhouse job work, but if they need in-house job work also, we can able to manage. Simultaneously we will have a tracking job id, tracking unique job id, and job work detailed report also available with busy. Going further, let us discuss some more challenges of the Deepak Ji's. He was facing some other problem like recover payments, how he recover the payment, what will be the credit limit of the party, how we will be getting the warnings, etc. But in busy they will be found the solution that bill by bill reference management. You can use this feature to manage your bill by bill references, and you'll be getting some warning also once the credit limit will be exceeded by amount wise or the day wise. So billing operator, he will be getting the warning message. So if you want, you can stop the billing for that particular party also. Configurable credit limit feature is available in busy, as well as the outstanding analysis also provided. You can able to manage your outstanding by aging wise, amount wise, bill wise, etc. Similarly, for the payment reminder feature is also provided, so that you can use the payment reminder feature to send the outstanding balances or due bill information to the party with the advanced way. Okay, advanced. Likewise, we will see how to manage this one. So in busy, we will have a certain reports called outstanding analysis. So in that outstanding analysis, there are amount receivable report. You can get it like this. This will be the amount outstanding report. Which party, how much they want to pay you, that is receivable balance, how much is there. So that everything will become over here. Similarly, for the bill wise outstanding, you can see either you can see by all party or by group of party or by single party. So likewise, you can put the filter and you can see the report. This will be the bill receivable report. If any bill there was pending, due date was exceeded, so suddenly it will show you the red color. The red color bills that are showing, so these are the bills that was due. Currently, it was not clear. Pending amount is 85,960 and the due days was 28 days. In this way, bill receivable report you can get. You can get the aging by receivable, 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, 90 to 120 days. Likewise, the aging report, we will be able to get it from busy. This is the aging wise report. The aging slab that will be self-created. So either if you want to change the aging slabs like 0 to 100 days, 100 to 200 days, 200 to 300 days, likewise, you will have a certain configuration by busy. You can do it that configuration. Simultaneously, you will have a payable related management also. Either you can manage receivable or you can manage the payable also. So in busy party master creation time, that you have to enable the bill by bill balancing mechanism. Suppose for example, here I will be selecting any one party. So in the party creation time, where you can have an option called bill by bill management option, you just enable this option to manage the credit days and credit limit for the party. This will be the credit days. You can see the credit days will be 10 days. Once the party, if they not paid the amount within 10 days means, so you can't able to enter the invoice again for them. Be getting some warning alarms. This type of integrated solutions that we are provided. So busy can provide you all the way. Busy can provide you the solution here. So for the industries. Okay. So let me tell you some more difficulties of Mr. Deepak Ji. And Deepak Ji also facing the problem of tracking of pending orders and challans, and how he was facing some challenges about tracking. So managing received orders from the customers and deliveries. Now he will be happy by our solution called order processing management and delivery challan management, and there are various type of reports related to this challan as well as the pending challan, item wise, party wise. These type of reports, it could help him a lot, so that he was very happy. So let me show you how they are using which kind of report they are using. Busy, what happened if you want to enter any kind of sale order to the customers. Suppose any customer he has given some order to you, will be entering on sale order. The sale order entry will become like this. For example, Arun restaurant, the new restaurant was open in your area, and he will be giving some wooden chair order to you, for example wooden chair. So then you will be see here you can see the dimension of the wooden chair. This dimension you can see height is 34, width is 17, and depth is 17. This was coming because this dimension that we was entered in the item description. The item description we are specified the dimension of the chair. So that's why it is coming automatically. If you want to change the dimension, you can able to change it by here. Instead of 34, you can make it as 45. So instead of 35, you can make this one as a 45. So how this in this way you can able to change the dimension as well. Suppose the Arun restaurant, he was one of the new restaurant open in your area. He was given the 10 number of wooden chair order. So let me add some shape of the chair, and the color of the wooden chair, material of the wooden chair, and etc. Rate also you can mention it. Once you post the purchase order, later on you can adjust the purchase order in your sales invoice directly by pressing the F11 shortcut key. No need to enter the sales again by the manual entry mode. So here we have one solution called F11 shortcut key. Let me show you how it is work. Here I will be selecting the party name. Then you can enter the billing shipping address. For example, the office will be different place and the restaurant will be different place. The party said that you can make the invoice in my office address, and you can deliver it in my restaurant address. In that case, you can use this billing shipping details address also. Next, you'll be taking this godown name. After that, you can come here item. You can just press the F11 button over here, so that you will be getting the pending orders numbers. Suppose only one number is there, so that you will be getting only one sales order here. So sometimes the multiple sale order also there. So then you should select multiple sale order by pressing the space bar, or else you can use the mouse to select it. Once you selected the pending order, then automatically the details of the item will visible here. Here see the quantity and everything. If suppose deliver the only partial quantity, that time you can make the changes in quantity. Suppose you have received only 10 number of quantities 10, but you have delivered only 5 quantities because the production is not done yet. So that case you can able to partially adjust the issued product. That is a required quantity to them. This is how the thing will work. Once you can adjust the sale order with sales, you can save it. Pressing the GST and everything, you can just it is saying that GST number is not specified. I can take it to this one as per party must. This one is the bill by bill adjustment window, so that you can put the due date of the current outstanding. If the due date is exceeded, so you'll be getting one warning message. Apart from that, you'll be getting the report also. So you should able to post the payment reminder message to the party. So related to the due date or due bill. So this is how you can able to manage your payment follows. Now I can show you how the invoice will printout will come by the printer. So this is the invoice preview. Let me show you. So this is the invoice preview of the invoice. If you have any specific logo of your company, that logo will be printed left side or right side, anywhere you can kept. Now I have added one logo in the left. The logo I was not added. It will be the invoice designing. You can see product name. It was coming. The height, width, and depth is coming. If you want to show the tape as well as the material and brand, color, etc. in the bill also, you can print that kind of information also. Second level informations also we were able to print it here. So this is how the order management entry will do. After that, you can get the report by here. Pending orders. You can see the pending orders by item wise, by party wise, etc. You delivered only the partial orders to the parties, then remaining quantities will be shown in the pending order list. You can see the pending orders. Many parties we are the deliveries are pending. See the pending orders list. This is how the Deepak ji will maintaining their business, so that he will be easily seamlessly doing their businesses with Busy. Apart from these features, there are many other features also available with Busy, that is called multiple units for measurements. Multiple units, that is sometime the pieces you want to convert that into square feet or square meter. That conversion is possible. So for multi-godown inventory, you would have different types of production flows, different production floor, different stores, different godowns, etc. that you should manage. Each and every godown, how many stocks that you have, information you can able to capture within Busy. For negative stock restrictions, the stock is not available, finishing raw material is not available, then production voucher will be posted, means that should be the problem for future, because the reporting side you will be getting negative values. In Busy you will be have certain types of warning alarms to restrict that. called as negative stock, negative balances related warning alarms. You can enable that alarms, so you should get the warnings. Next thing here is user control and tracking. If you want to make any specific role to your users, so what they want to do, which permission you want to allow for them, that you can decide as a super user, and you can allow with the features. Even you can able to track the user also, what they did, what entry they have deleted, which entry they have modified, which entry they have entered. So each and every type of user activities you can capture by our feature called user activity. Even owner, if they are outside, he will be getting the instant notification about the business activity through their mobile phone. We are having one busy BNS application, so it is integrated with our software, so the owner will get the instant notifications about the software. And the backup and QR code generation is also possible. So like even you can print the barcode labels simultaneously. You can see the label printing as well. If suppose you want to configure your own label, you know that each and furnitures, above the furnitures we seen that the label will contains the entire information of the furniture that you should able to design by here. You can see the design of the label. Once you print the label, that will become like this. Let me print and I can show you. This will be the label design name called furniture. Let me take one product name here. Product name, let me take, for example, wooden chair or wooden table. This is the label of the product. See the label and print the label and stick onto the product. When the customer is visiting any specific showroom or any outlet, he will be able to know that what type of furniture it is, what dimension it was, and what material he has used, what color it is, what shape it is, how much is the MRP. So likewise, the particular customer, he will be able to understand the product, this label. That also able to figure the from the software, and you can able to print it. Sometimes the wastage management is also very necessary. Suppose if you have certain wastage of after the production, you'll be having some wastages. Wastages you can easily manage with our stock transfer entry. We will create one wastage godown. From the production unit, you can directly send them to the wastage block. I have created one item called wastage. Any wastage stock that you want to transfer from production unit to wastage block, that quantity you can enter it. You can save the voucher. After that, if you want to get the report of the wastages that are available in the production unit, just come here, select the 1MC option and select one item. Selecting the item called wastage, you can easily know that how much stock status that you have currently in your godown. Wastage stock you have 26 kgs. And this wastage stock will be also resold by some other vendor. We pay some amount for the wastage also. So this is how the wastage management will take place here. And even the physical stock verification, physical stock reconciliation, stock you have in your physical godown, so you can match and you can verify with your system as well. If any suppose any mismatches is having, you can adjust using this physical stock reconciliation method. Simultaneously, the next feature is complete GST management. Because Busy is the business accounting software. You should be able to manage your GST work as well. Of the day, you can able to file your GSTR1, GSTR3B. You have a GSTR2A to be reconciliation features and everything. Have a direct upload, JSON export feature, CSV feature as per government template, etc. Multiple pricing mode for the product. Suppose if you want to cap the different prices for the product, we'll have certain feature called multiple price list option here. So you can enable the multiple price list feature here. One, you can cap the price with party wise, group wise, party or party group wise. Party group wise also you can cap, or else you can cap by item wise also. Suppose if any item having different prices based on the customer category, you want to apply the price. So that kind of scenario, you can create 2 or more prices for single product. When you're making the invoices, that 2 prices you can select by selecting the code A, B, C, D like that. Okay. If suppose the product name is called something like chair. Okay. The wood chair only, you can create different price categories, A, B, C, D, E, F, G like that. See the price categories. When you're adding the sales voucher, you select the required category name, A, B, C, D. That price will be going to apply. So this is also one of the important feature for sales activities. For sale purchase analysis with graphs report. This is also one of the important report. End of the day, you can able to analyze your business status. We have a report called analysis. Wise, see the quarterly, either you can see it by quarterly, monthly, etc. Likewise, you can see the analysis report. You can see the sales analysis report by like this. Multiple profitability report. We have different types of profitability report by here. MIS reports, profitability report, bill-wise profit, party-wise profit, go-down-wise, MC-wise, etc. Automatic backup on Google Drive. We are provided the robust backup utility by Busy, because you can able to sync your data to the Google Drive backup utility. It is advanced backup technology solution that we have provided internally with Busy. No worry about your data and no worry about the virus attack and everything. The data will be safe and secure by here. Customers is having on Gmail account. In that Gmail account, they are getting 15 GB storage space. That only we are using for the backup purpose. So no worry about your data. The data is very safe and secure by here. These are some of the other important solutions that we are using for the furniture industry. Next slide, you can see that accelerate your business growth with Busy. If you are using a Busy software, verify your business operations and save the valuable time, analyze your business with accurate data, as well as make the better decision making with confidence. Thank you so much for joining today's training, today's webinar. If you have certain queries and questions, now the floor is open for you. Message in chat box if you have any questions. So otherwise, if you have any questions in future after making practice by your software, or if you need any demo, or if you have any new requirement or if you need any new demonstration, so just you can call to this number 8282828282. This is our centralized help desk number. Either you can call for the sale or you can call for the support. Even you can have a mail option, support@busy.in. Thank you so much for joining today's webinar. Now